Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ruth, and on this channel we do farming basically in coffee, banana, and guavas, plus the small scale farming, and we also do cooking. Basically, things we cook are from the garden, most of them. So here we are going to do some pancakes. They look to be chapats, but they're not chapats, they are pancakes. So I'm showing you here with my kids what we do. Hey, keep watching. We learn, we enjoy. In these pancakes, I'll put milk as you see. I'll also put salt, flour, and eggs, plus the baking powder to help it softness and to grow. So I'll mix all the ingredients together and see the outcomes. That vanilla helps me to put some flavor in our pancakes. They'll be sweet and they will smell well. Now let's mix all the ingredients together as just said. My voice is not so good, but I think we're able to learn. Please like this video so that it can reach so many people. If you watch my video, give it a thumbs up, like. Also comment on what you want me to learn from this video also. You might never know that there are some things I don't know. This is how I make my pancakes. But you can teach me maybe what you know about them in the comment section. I will be glad. I will be glad to know more from you people. Also, if you have something to ask me, it's okay. Please go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. I will really answer. But please like my video so that it can reach so many people. In these pancakes, when you're putting this salt, don't put much salt. Just a pinch of salt will be okay. Yes, it will be okay, and it will be of help. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe and watch to the end. On these chapats or pancakes, what I know, they don't take a lot of time. They don't take a lot of time to heat or to prepare. Thanks for watching my video to the end. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Comment. I'll be glad. Thank you. Bye.